Hey guys, it's me, Debbie, and
Chloe,
and Izzy. And today we are going to be making slime. So the ingredients we will need is a bowl and spoons to mix, and a water mixed with borax or contact solution. And you need some glue, and if you want, you can use glitter and
food coloring if you want.
yeah. So let's get started. Okay, Izzy, I'll here. I'm gonna give me some. Okay.
And some for me too.
Yeah, I know. Oops. Oh, there's still a lot in here, Izzy.
Pretend to see the rest.
Nope. I need some fun. Okay, so we added all the glue, and now if you want to get the extra glue out and you want it to be a really good slime, you have to put fill it up with water and then shake it. Here, you can shake it now. Shake. This one's hard to shake.
And food coloring is red. And this is blue.
Okay, I think that's good. Okay. So, got all this. Now we're going to add it. Chloe, don't add all of it. Yeah.
Some for me too.
Okay. I know, Izzy. Oh, did you fart? No, don't mix it. Don't mix it yet. Oops. Okay, that's good. Oh. Yeah, it's supposed to. I think that's enough, right?
Yeah. That is a lot for me.
Yeah, just like it's like a lot.
Okay.
Good. Now we're gonna do 2 scoops of.
You're supposed to do the food coloring.
Oh yeah, food coloring and glitter first. You should just like keep the.
Can I put some in too? No. I'm gonna put some in mine too.
That's enough.
Only one.
Oops.
It's fine.
Just one. Okay. It
Now,
comes with lots.
now we have to mix it up.
That good?
We need some glitter too.
Yeah. That looks cool actually.
Look.
So, and I'll add it. Whoa! Look at Izzy. Whoa! That's so cool.
Now I have to mix it up, right?
Okay, now we need 2 spoons. Oh yeah, you gotta mix it up. Never mind. I'm like, king at making. No, she's a king at making. Fine.
Whoa, Maggie.
Whoa! Look at mine.
What? Mine's just like.
I think you added too much water. Yeah. No? Okay. It's turning pink. Mine's turning pink.
Me too.
Turning red. Yours is turning purple.
Mine is turning red.
Yeah, yours is turning red.
Wow, this is awesome.
Okay, now we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of borax water. So I'm gonna give it a nice big stir again. Oh, there's still stuff on it.
Yeah, my ghetto is.
Oh, mine's already turning into slime. Yeah,
Look at my ghetto.
It's so pretty. Okay, 1 and 2.
Let
Okay.
me see mine.
Okay, 1.
Yep, it's not slime yet.
And 2. Okay. Don't stop yet. Okay, Izzy, now you add 2. Here, I think I'll help you because you like add like a lot. Okay, now mix. Oh, mine's turning in. Mine is too. Mine's so weird.
Mine too.
Oh.
Whoa.
It's okay if our hands get messy. Yeah. Mine's like a weird pink. I think I'm gonna add 1 more drop of food coloring.
Mom, look at mine. Look at
And if you haven't
mine.
seen our other video where me and
Look at
Izzy did
mine,
a food
Debbie.
surprise
Look at
challenge,
mine.
you should go
Debbie,
check
look at
that
mine.
out.
Look at
It's
mine.
pretty gross, but pretty
Look
good.
at mine.
Ugh.
Look at mine.
blood.
I'm starting to dig in.
Ew.
That's why we rolled up our
Oh,
sleeves.
dibby.
Oh, dibby dibby. I think I need one more scoop of borax.
Yeah.
Can
you
you
get one
put
for me?
this one up now?
How many? 2? 1, 2?
Maybe using mine.
Dump some of mine.
And then I'll do one tiny thing. And then
Okay.
one tiny thing for you.
Mm.
And then one tiny bit. It's oh.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
starting
oh,
to dig
oh,
in.
oh, ew. Ew. I don't want to look at ew.
Ew.
That was way too much borax.
Mine
Okay,
is
let's
too
just
much.
dig in.
Here,
Ew, mine is no.
This is probably gonna be a fail.
I think we need more borax.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's a master at making slime. You should go check out her channel. Tell them what your channel is.
DaisyBean3309. Or I don't know.
Or you don't know.
Don't dip it. Just tiny dip.
Now just play with it for a couple minutes and see if it forms.
Yes. I'm starting to form into good stuff. Not good, not good, not good.
Not. Look at mine.
You can barely see the glitter. Yours is cool. I think you should dip yours in borax.
I dip
Here,
mine in.
give me yours for a second.
I dip mine in.
Oh, this is kind of it.
Dip it in there.
I dip
Mine's
mine in.
forming.
Mine's the only one that's basically forming. Here, I'll help you, Izzy. Oh, Izzy. Oh my gosh. Yours is crazily wicked. Oh, yours is like, it sounds like bead foam slime.
Yeah.
Okay, Izzy's is good. I added some to Izzy's.
Oh, it's like bubbles.
Bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Guppy.
Okay. Bye. I go and get my hand.
One. Okay, guys. So this is the final product. Izzy ran away, and this is this one. I just wanted to add some more food coloring to my slime to make it red, and it turns out pretty good. That's why my hands are all red. And so, I hope you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And
If you have any comments for
what? And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and I will comment you back. And I will see you in the next video.